Flower?
Sorry, I was waiting for you to wake up. I was on the move. Okay?
Well, let's go in here. I wonder what happened in here.
Hey, what's this?
It's a gun. I wonder what happened in here.
What's all this weird noise? What was that noise?
I don't know.
I'm just going to... Let's go. Come on.
Let's go. Wait. Is that a zombie?
My God, it is.
I think a zombie apocalypse happened in here like long ago.
Or maybe it's just some random infection. My mom did say there was a weird virus before. Anyways,
Let's go.
wait. Does it sound weird outside?
It does.
It sounds like old-timey cars.
Let's go outside and see what's happening.
Yeah.
Wait. Are we in the... I think we're in the past. I think we're in the past. This is 2003. This is when we were probably 2.
Mom, look at the cemetery. Wait. Who's this?
Bradley? This is like... I cannot believe it. It's legitly we're in 2003. We're supposed to be in 2021. No, 22. What the heck?
I think I know who Bradley is.
Who?
Bradley was my mom's secret crush.
When did he die?
Died. He died on a river trip with my mom. My mom survived, but he drowned to death in the water.
So that's how he died? Why did you... Wait, did you never told him about me... You never told him about him before.
Well, it's because my mom wanted me to keep it a secret, but I guess since we're here, it looks like his body hasn't been found. We need to find him.
I see a hand in there, Flower. Wait, is our houses here? Let's find our houses.
I think they used to bury ways of the people that died.
Let's see. Let's check out if our houses are here. Our bikes are gone. Our bikes were were over here.
Yeah, oh wait, I remember in here, when my mom used to work here, right here, I kept, skateboard, yes, found it.
You did it. Wait, is there an extra one? Wait, I think I remember visiting here when my dad lived here, but I lived back in Bloxburg. I think I left one here. I think. Here's mine.
Oh, found it? Come on,
Yep. Let's go. Let's go to our houses. Let's see if they're there. They're here. They just look so different.
Whoa,
They look so different.
your house looks so different, so does mine. Wait, go look inside the window.
Yeah, let's go do that. Do people even live in our houses?
I see little leaves.
a minute. What is this? It's little me. My little me is in this house.
Don't come to my house. Little me's coming outside looking for that person that saw her. Hi, I think horses coming out too. I hear them.
Okay, where are you, Flower?
I'm in my pool at my house.
Wait, did you always lived in this house?
Oh my god, I think little me went back inside. Yep.
So did little me. But our houses look so different. Mine's brown. I thought I lived in Bloxburg at this time, but apparently Brookhaven really is my childhood home.
Looks like tan. Wait, maybe your parents lied to you. Maybe some freaky accident happened to you. Wait, listen. Do you remember that story?
Were you taking me?
Oh no.
Oh no! Let's get down there! So this is what happened. I'm knocked out. Let's get it back up. So this is what... So Bloxburg never really was my childhood home? Why is it such a different color? Oh yeah, we must disguise ourselves. Let's go put on some disguises.
I'm gonna do my disguise right here, okay?
Okay, I'll go over to my house and do it.
Come on. Hello? Anyone home? Hi, there was a car crash down there.
Hey, yeah, it's your neighbor.
Over here. Oh no, where'd the car go?
I think they towed it.
Oh no. But where is the body? Maybe at the hospital.
Where's Mini Me? Where's Mini Me? I think Mini Me is at the hospital.
Oh, come on.
Wait, what is your neighbor's name? What's your name?
Oh, and flowers.
What's your neighbor's name?
Yeah, what's your neighbor's name?
Hello? What?
Her name is Marigold.
Oh, unfortunately she crashed.
Yeah, she might be in the hospital. Come on. Wait, stop. Stop. Come. Look. I see their car over there with the tow truck.
Marigold must be in here somewhere. She must be in the closed one.
Look. Wait, where's the paper? There's that paper. Search me.
That we're not allowed in here. We can't get in. I'm so sorry, little girls. You cannot come in here. A little girl named Marigold is in here getting surgery. And then we have to take her then she has to move.
Go in there, you two. Go in there, please.
Oh my gosh. It's Mini Me. here. I feel so much better now. Thank you. You? Marigold? Oh my god, thank God you're okay, honey. We are not staying here. Let's move. Okay? Okay, but I don't want to stay here anymore. Let's move. Okay. Whoa! Oh, we're home. But my beanie is still burned off. I don't want to go back there. We were there when we time traveled, and I don't want to go back to that past. Okay. Cause is that what time travel does? Wait, did you how did you bring your skateboard? Let's get it. I got it. Got it. Now let's go home. Let's go home and fix it. I just can't believe that happened. So this is my childhood home. I just did not know that. Yes, I got it. All right, I'm gonna go home and fix it. I'll bring it back. The full fixed product. I'll be right back. Why can't I? I know how to stitch. I'll try and fix it myself. Okay. I'll see you later. We fixed it. High five. Yeah, we should get going. It's time to get home. See you later, Flower. See ya.